how did we end the day with over 1000 USD in profit on a Friday? It is actually very simple. We have a lot of traders in the private group, the VIP group, who are also in crazy profits to end the week, right? And today being Friday, we had major moves in the market. There were movements on pound USD, there were movements on euro AUD as well. So these two trades gave us some good profits to end the week. Today being Friday, we've had a good time in the market since the start of the week, and I'm going to be explaining some of these trades that we took today that gave us this crazy profit. I've always been talking about what it takes to become a successful trader in the forex market. Your education is very important. No matter the system that you trade, no matter the people you have around you, whatever group you have subscribed to, you need to be able to have a solid education by yourself. You should be able to know exactly what is going on in the market at every point in time. And it is very important to avoid trading blindly. No matter who is assisting you, no matter which signal you subscribe to, you should be able to tell what is actually going on in the market, because it gives you a better advantage based on whatever that may happen in the market. So I'm going to be showing you some of these trades that we took today. It is simply by taking the trades that we called from the VIP group, and everything we did in the VIP group are simply what we teach in the Blue Vision mentorship program. Make sure you have the skill set, because the skill set is the most important thing in trading. When you have the skill set, you are able to do these things all by yourself, right? You understand whatever goes on in the market, and you are able to take even better advantage of many more moves in the market all by yourself. So we are going to go straight to the charts to show you exactly how we spotted this trade, called this trade, and the results we generated from this trade. So before we do that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, be sure you subscribe right now and also hit the bell icon to receive notifications based on every content that we put up on this channel.
This is simply the trade that we took to end the week. The main trade we looked at is Euro AUD. EA, we're looking for shorts from this very high to end the week, and that was the main trade that was setting up as at yesterday, 14th of December. We're looking at this. So on Friday, we had waited for this to play out, and this actually played out. We had our first TP right here, and we have the second TP right here. So this was our entry price right here, the entry level, and we're looking to sell from this very level. And all the members in the VIP group were also on this trade. So this is what has happened right now on EA, today being Friday. So price has done exactly what we were looking for it to do. So the first TP, as you can see right here, the first TP, the first arrow, the first TP was hit. That was about 800 pips. And second TP down here also has been hit. So this trade, very simple trade, but it was about 200 pips in profit on a Friday. Usually, you are not going to find a lot of this kind of movement on Friday, but when you understand how to trade and you apply the right system of trading, you are sure to pull out profits every now and then in the market. So for anyone out there who is still struggling with the market, who is confused enough to be profitable in the market, be sure to reach out to us. Check out our links in the video description, and we are surely going to provide some help to you that will keep you going.